What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today we could be mixing up some yum yum sauce. That's right, the Cajun Asian yum yum sauce. It's from the dirty South yum yum sauce. And this sauce is good with seafood, boiled shrimp, my shebang shrimp. Make sure you check that video out right here. And today we have fried chicken to dip it with. This yum yum sauce comes from the Japanese hibachi grill restaurants. So if you don't know about it, I'm gonna show you about it. So let's go get to cooking. Get to cooking. But wait, make sure you smash the like button if you like the video, and make sure you smash the subscribe button and ring that bell. All right? Ring that bell. Yeah. Guys, here we go. The final product. Bam. Fried chicken, and that shrimp right there is slap your mama shrimp. Slap your mama goodness. If you don't know about that slap your mama shrimp, click up above. That's my recipe, my video. I will show you how to make it. A little bit about this sauce. I was inspired by this channel called Cravings. If you don't know about him, click the link up above right about now. So check him out. His crawfish boil is like no other. This man is from Baton Rouge, so he knows what he's talking about. So check him out, and we're about to do the taste test. Well, all you need about taste test is goodness already. So here we go. First bite. Look at that. Can you see that? So good. So good. That rich in that mayonnaise, the spiciness in that Louisiana hot sauce. Plus the peppers. Man, they got like 3 different type of peppers in here. It's not too spicy. Very rich in flavor. Delicious. This is delicious. Let's go for a fried chicken. Who don't like fried chicken? I love fried chicken. Yeah, fried chicken. Mmm. That is just too good. You have to try it out. It's that Cajun Asian yum yum sauce. So you like the video? Make sure you smash the like button, alright? And subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.